show that. That's the focaccia by Maestro Vito Iacopelli. Super easy, no knead, no nothing, and you have this quality of product just in 3 hours. Like the title says, the focaccia in 3 hours, no knead. Guys, this is the texture that we want. Probably this is the most easy focaccia I ever made in my life, and trust me, soft and crunchy. I'm going to teach you how to make the pizza dough with no ends. The most easy way to stretch just watch until the end, guys, and smash the like, enjoy, make this at home. Once you finish, go ahead, tag me on Instagram with this beast. Enjoy this video. Let's start from the beginning with the dough. Okay, there we go. We are ready to make this easy and fast focaccia recipe. The best recipe. 320 grams of cold water. Put half amount in the bowl. Save this half for later. 3 grams of dry yeast. Use a spoon to melt it. 5 grams of honey or 2 grams of sugar if you don't have the honey. Melt everything. 400 grams of 00 flour. Put it in the dough, in the bowl, and mix it in the same time. Put everything together. Now we add 10 grams of sea salt. Now try to put everything together. At this point, let's add the remaining water. Now, with only 1 spoon, let's put everything together. The texture of the dough might vary because the W of the flour. The more are the W on the flour, the more strong is your dough. That means it will absorb more water. If is the more W, the more will absorb your water. In this case, we are using American flour, and the W are 300. So, like you can see, if the W are less, the dough will be more sticky. So at this point, voila, after 3 minutes mixing with the spoon, this is the texture. Like you can see, it's all one piece. So let's get everything from the bowl. There we go. Wrap it up. Let's keep the dough covered for 30 minutes. Okay, here you go, 30 minutes passed by. Save this plastic wrap because we're gonna go ahead and use it. Like you can see, that's the texture, how it's building the gluten. So now, at this point, we're gonna go ahead and grab from the bottom and put it on the top. This way. From the bottom and put it on the top. From the bottom on the top. Until is everything detached from the bowl. I can tell already that it's building the air inside the dough. That's a good sign. One end you turn the bowl, one end you put the dough on top. And then you turn, one end you put it on top. Done. That's how it looks. Now get the plastic wrap and put it back on top. Now pay attention, it's super important. Now we're gonna let it rest for 1 hour this time. Let's go ahead and let's wait 1 hour at room temperature. 1 hour, it's passed by, and this is the dough. Like you can see, double up the side. So now keep it like that, little bit of olive oil in your hands, like I say all the time, not too much, just a little bit. Now go on the side here. And then we're gonna grab a little bit without bringing this, without breaking this part here. We're gonna try to detach all the dough from the side of the ball. So basically we're gonna go ahead and take off all the air to the crust again. So look at this, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a ball like that, across. We're gonna go across just this way. Gonna keep it like that until it's nice and smooth. See what I'm doing? I'm creating a ball. Like you can see, it's nice and tight again. So now go ahead, close it this way and put it back in a bowl and grab a pan about this is 15 inches, but you can go also, the more it's small, the more thick will become. So a little bit of olive oil on the pan. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Go ahead and put it on the whole pan. You can get this on Amazon. I can leave the link on description. Now grab the ball from the container and place it just exactly how you take it out from the bowl, on top like that in the pan. Little bit of olive oil on top. Make sure it's olive oil everywhere. Make sure it's detached. This is gonna grow a lot. Make sure it's covered up. At this point, guys, this is the focaccia. It smells so good. We're gonna let it rest for about 30 to 40 minutes. It depends on the room temperature. The more it's hot, the faster it will grow. The more it's cold, the lowest will grow. Can't wait to show you the next step. Smash that like, let's go guys, and subscribe right there, it's totally free. We are almost there, we're almost there. Share, it's totally free. 40 minutes is passed by and this is our focaccia. Lovely, nice and strong. It's super soft. So look at this, little bit of olive oil, in your hands. Don't be shy with the olive oil when you make focaccia. Make sure it's detached from the bottom, this way. And now, take a look, just a few finger, oh my God, take a look at the air. Not too much, you wanna keep the air inside the crust. That's it. Take a look how beautiful is the focaccia. Nice and strong. So now, handful of salt on top. Just cover everything with salt because you know we put so much little salt in the beginning. That's why it's raising so fast. Like a handful of rosemary, or if you want to put oregano, is fine too. So let's chop it up a little bit. And now we go on top. Now one more time, a little bit of olive oil on top. There we go. Let's set up the oven at the max temperature. Well, I set it up the oven about 15 minutes ago. 450 bake, 450 Fahrenheit, and we're gonna go ahead and right now it's already hot. Make sure the pizza oven, make sure the oven is hot. Let's go ahead and let's put the focaccia inside right there on top. Wow! Now cook it for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes, the time to get nice and gold color on top. Let's wait. In the meantime that the focaccia it's cooking, I have prepared here some ingredients that we're gonna put on the inside of the focaccia, because the focaccia is gonna be open. Of course you can go ahead and eat the focaccia just like that, but in this case we're gonna put a little bit of prosciutto, a little bit of spicy provolone, and then a little bit of fresh arugula and a little bit of grana on top. So let's go ahead and let's check out the focaccia. I think in about 5 to 10 minutes it's gonna be ready. Can't wait. The focaccia, it's ready. Oh my God, they come out perfect like I want to. Take a look, guys. Boom. See? Oh wow, listen to this. Nice, that's the perfection that I want to. Let's get a plate. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get the focaccia on top of the plate. That's it. Let it cool down a little bit. Let's check out first if it's soft and crunchy. Wow, it's soft and crunchy. Let's see the bottom. Come on, lovely and perfect. Take a look. Beautiful. So So guys, I want to explain you something. The more you use the pan small, the more thick it will become. So I use the big one because I like it to be the focaccia nice and thin. Because what I'm gonna do, I don't want too much bread on my focaccia. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and open up the focaccia like that. There we go, let's cut it. The moment of the truth. The focaccia became woo, lovely. Take a look, guys. Woo, sorry, it's too hot. Now let's place the focaccia, the top part, on one side. Wow, nice and soft. Now let's take this base. We're gonna put a little bit of nice and spicy provolone. But okay, of course, guys, you can put whatever you like in this pizza. The reason why I cut it when it was a little bit hot, because this way the cheese melts and it's really good. A little bit of prosciutto everywhere. Gonna fill it up, this beast. And voila. Fresh organic arugula on top. Just like that, boom, boom, boom. Now, to finish, we're gonna go ahead and put some nice grana cheese on top. We're gonna make it rain. Nice. That's it. Take a look, guys. A little bit of olive oil on top to finish this beast. And the final touch. The final touch. Get that piece on top there. That's it. Come here. Show that. That's the focaccia by Maestro Vito Iacopelli. Super easy, no need, and you have this quality of product just in 3 hours. Oh, by the way, I cook it for about 20 minutes. So in 3 hours, take a look what you have. Smash the like. We're gonna go ahead and taste it now. We're gonna cut it and taste. This is the best time. Woo! It's super tender. This is the perfect slice of focaccia. That's it. Let me eat it. Let me eat it first from the crust. Out of this world. Make this home. Tag me on Instagram. I'll see you next week. Ciao. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Just wait a second, because I have to say it's my father-in-law right here. He needs to taste. He needs to say what do you think of this beast. Vai, mangia. That's it. That's it.
Buono!
Come a Bari?
Buonissimo!
Mangia. I'll see you next week. Bye.